Hello, everyone. Today's training session topic is GL Journal Form Import Scenario. In this training session, you will learn how to import an Excel sheet containing GL journal lines into the GL journal form to create journals with a large number of lines. Objectives: understand how to import Excel data into the GL journal form. When there are a large number of GL journal lines, it is very difficult to enter each line manually. For convenience, when you have thousands of lines, you can use the Excel import functionality in the GL journal form to add all the lines at once. Identify and navigate the key fields and sections of the GL journal form. Prerequisites: you must have completed the Onfinity 100, SCM 200, and FIM 200 training sessions. Required configurations: the currency in the Excel sheet must match the currency of the selected accounting schema in the GL journal record. Account codes in the Excel sheet must match the ledger codes available in the Onfinity system. The user must have the necessary roles and access to the GL journal form. General Ledger Journal Form. The General Ledger Journal Form is used to manually record financial transactions directly into the General Ledger. It allows users to post accounting entries that are not generated automatically from submodules such as accounts payable or inventory. This form is helpful for adjustment entries, corrections, accruals, provisions, reclassifications, and period-end entries, ensuring accurate financial reporting. It is primarily used for journal ledger entries and maintaining bank balances. Importing journal entries. The GL journal form provides functionality to import journal entries from an Excel sheet. This feature enables users to efficiently add multiple lines to the GL journal without manual entry. This is the Onfinity link, and I have entered my login details. I click on the Login button, and the system loads the home screen. Now, I navigate to the GL journal form. Filter parameters. These are the filter parameters that allow us to filter the data of GL journal records listed in this section. Here, you can see a list of all GL journal records along with their document status. If we select any record, its details will be displayed here, including all the codes and related information. Steps to create or select a GL journal record. You can take any drafted record or click on the Add New button to create a new record. The system will load the data entry screen. Select the date on which you are performing this transaction. If you want to reverse this transaction on a particular date, you can enter the reversal date. For now, we will leave it blank. Select the organization for which you want to create this journal. Next, choose the document type. Then select the accounting schema. Here, I am selecting an accounting schema with currency INR. Another accounting schema linked to this organization will be automatically saved. Select the posting type as actual. If you want to add a description, you can enter it here, e.g., import. After entering these details, click Save. The record header is saved, e.g., record number 1047. Importing multiple lines. To add multiple lines manually, you would need to select ledger codes and amounts, which takes a lot of time. For convenience, we have provided the Excel import option, where you can select an Excel file and add multiple lines in seconds. Click on Import from Excel, select your sheet and click Open. The system will load the lines from your sheet. This is the sheet that I used for importing into the GL journal form. As you can see, these are the ledger codes. The currency in the sheet must match the currency of the selected accounting schema in the GL journal header. In this case, it matches, so the lines were successfully inserted. The sheet also contains columns such as source debit amount, credit amount, description. You can provide values for these columns as needed. This is how you can use the Excel sheet to import multiple lines into the GL journal form. To check the record, note that the document number is 1047. I search for my document and refresh the page. The system displayed our record. When we select it, the system loads the data. Now, the system shows all the lines we imported from the Excel sheet. It only takes a few seconds to add 20 lines. And in practical scenarios, you can import thousands of lines within a few seconds. This eliminates the need for manual entry and saves significant effort. Conclusion: This is how you can import an Excel sheet into the Onfinity system on the GL journal lines. Thank you.